I want to make the money rain.
Ask me again. Say it again. Ask Joseph. Ask Joseph.
I want to do my homework.
Ask Joseph.
I want to ask you.
No, you gotta ask him. I'll say yeah, but Joseph gotta say yeah. Ask Joseph.
So can I make all the money rain, please?
Make all the money rain.
Yes.
Make it rain?
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to make all the money rain. So it can be all out of my hand. Please.
Wow.
Huh. No, how you gonna make it rain? How you make it rain?
I hear the baby breathing, Mom. Mom, I hear the baby.
You know how to make it rain?
Yeah.
Let me see.
You have to count so you can make it rain.
No, you have to throw it out so you can make it rain.
1,
You ain't supposed to catch it. That's not making it rain.
2.
And look who